So what is stopping you from starting a pilot? That's the question I'm asking. Actually nothing, it's super simple. Send us some photos. With those photos, we can check if your water meter is compatible to our Shayp device. After the compatibility check, we go to the installation. You can do it yourself or Shayp can do it. If you do it yourself, then we have everything you need. We have all of the documents printed into one and a very nice installation video for you to use. If Shayp does it, we will get an expert on your side to make sure the installation goes very smoothly. After this, we'll go to the onboarding. We take 2 weeks in between just to get the data integrated into the web application and get that algorithm going. During the onboarding, it's more of like a guide through the web application, letting the customer getting to know with the web application. Once that's done, we'll take a month in between before we have an evaluation meeting. During the evaluation meeting, we just talk about how Shayp made an impact for the customer. A lot of customers say that they can't live without Shayp anymore. This is why they really want to equip all of their buildings. It's super cool to see. So let's talk scalability now. Let's go to the next video.